the earth on day 4 of God's creation with the solar system's birth. Far to the naked eye, but we can make it seem close if we go beyond the sky.
The sun, the star, it's the only one that we got. Not far, 93 million miles, it's large and wide, million times Earth's size. It's hot, 15 million, so that's 27 million Fahrenheit. Super bright, it's erratic, look blind, average size, stock type. Q2V made cyan off light, it's light just like our Earth's life. When it's on the other side, you can guarantee it's night. Think fight, inner atmosphere, aurora ignite, and coronal mass ejection make the sun out of the light. Block the sun, your hands, the clouds, the moon, they might. It'll happen cause God said, let there be light.
Even if there's no water, even if there's no moon or atmosphere, so we can take our time to search around, up and down, till we have every only clear. Here we go.
Mercury is the smallest and the closest of them all. Mark of craters, skips and wrinkles, it's a rocky iron ball. World is tilted and eccentric, 88 days it repeats. And each and every day it continues to betray. The water in the atmosphere is too close to the sun rays. Even if it had, they just boil and blast away. Sun and face, it's hot, but it's definitely not good. Between the dirt extremities, the monsters and spikes. 7 times greater sun glowed away, its sort of tail goes and solar wind glow makes magnetic tornadoes. Smile look pretty, but the surface is deceiving. It's the toxic atmospheres like pushing makes seething. Part of the mercury from the greenhouse gas is heating. Sulfuric acid lightning is gonna make you start retreating. Further is known as morning and evening star. Compared to his backlight rotation, orbit shorter, so bizarre. Sharing size like Kuiper paths, it's known as his table twin. Volcano shake the surface, bringing lava from within. Earth is planet number 3, owns all humanity. Place of most of history, rivers, continents, and seas. Range of mountains and their peaks. Social tradition, lady tectonic places, efficiency powered by ocean internally. Earth's rotation Coriolis makes the air and ocean flow. Got the most optimal spot in the habitable zone. These are climate, it's got it just right. Feel like it's the only satellite that controls the time inside the show. Mars, not red, planet number 4. Whale Elon at the newest of the 40 book explorer. Where we study from volcanoes down to every kind of floor. Limpid spawns and valleys, Marinera's highest in the scores. Snow storms in air, making little breezes. Permafrost, fade good, polar water freezes. CO2 the clouds, but when steamers fly around. But where are all the Martians? Nowhere to be found. Asteroids, fuel, some metals, that's rock abundant in the system, over millions of stock. Literally everywhere, they like the moving crowds. From Jupiter's oppression and the goals not allowed. The asteroid belt loaded to the brim, but the chances of you hitting one is really, really slim. Carbonaceous, metallic, silicious, type CX and S. The big, the small, and pressure, you send a staggeringly mesh. Series is the dwarf planet with salty ice formation. Best is layered, self is free, and so the highest elevation. Powers the orbit is peculiar, a standout inclination. And hygiene is oddly spherical, carbon presentation. Interemnia, Devia, Juno, Psyche, Petya, Chip, Doors, and the frost, and the electros moved your friend. Within the Sylvia, Romulus, Remus, Hebe, and Memberga, Iris, Sibylle, and Noea, Camilla, and Fortuna. Lutetia, Diamonds, a hands of war, Casper, Dignus, Salama, Brandogaria, Laverne, Sally, and the Simplana, Facea, Maria, Tyche, Aya, Magna, Cleopatra, Alex, Helios, Clea, Selene, Cronocide, and Dactyl, Calliope, Lina, Herculean, Huberta, Ola, Hilda, Julieta, Scorpion, Ion, and Minerva, just Bishop, Aeneas, Daphne, Basildus, Hermione, Hertha, and Malicious goes and keeps on going further. Trojans are just a follow on her bigger body's tracks, and every planet's got a Mercury's the only one that lacks, and they want Jupiter, the Greeks, and Trojans, the Pluto's inside, where they're building the formations of the points of the ring of arc. Just the Megasaurus, Lucas, Amelia, Agamemnon, Paris, Patroclus, Venetius, Jeffrey, Visigoda. Any user clip, I roll around it where they are. Tears in a moon, not Aiden's a close, quite close to 4. I look check again, and mix monsters, one at the pop of zeros, or someone Korea. When they go 9 more for state of philosophy, who better beat a column of Tannis, Geo, or Foster, there's like Raya, Ringa, Icarus, or in the space of Mars. Active extra woods, like comets, and I got this spraying off and closer than Jupiter. Up the Zara, Fifth on Helium, and twice among the giants, and stable, last one, common things, Chiron's activity, and Caracol, but they want just that brings out Phonic, Kidnash, Watch, and Marmarius, and Evelyn, Alana, Mia, King, Wasana, Kirui, and Doggo, Police, on the closing, Laser, but like comets with the tail around the place of prairie satellites, or just something of note. Squatty satellites like Zeus, the cycle, and other space that could exist in Vulcan modes, and keep on searching no avail. The asteroid belt and surroundings, modes of various in scale to label every single one of them is for another day.
Even if there's no water, even if there's no moon or atmosphere, so
fastest Jupiter, baddest monsters smash. The others try to surpass in the outclass. No way to shake for the fastest propagation rate. It inflates its clouds and atmosphere, make gassy vandals swirling and straight. Crushing gravity, the modest locality. No trojans out the country, poison message with blood belts and mentality. Rings hard and march, tricky response cyclones and spirality. Magnetic force the strongest in gaseous reality. I express this mention sulfur and volcanoes, lava lakes, and Europa's oceans under all the NASCAR moving scrapes. And there's Ganymede's magnetic field, a bubble into a star. And Callisto bears and remnants of a million greatest stars. Adrustia, Amelia, Venus, Thebia, Missolita, Ursa, Coppolina, Nufini, Valentudo, and Leslie, Familia, Elora, Pandion, Palaki, Orgosian, Princetic, and Guy, Maya, Castilla, Nuetu, Lucina, Recaldini, and Nike, Philip, Rosity, Pasadena, Salini, Hershey, Spotty, Thione, Rimic, Carmi, and Liquori, Alien, Vicori, and Eurythmy, Chimney, Tahiti, Euphoria, Archipelago, Sinope, and Kaluri, Pacific, and Helicia, Autonomy, Asana, Kelly, and Mega Clyde, and Arene, 40 others flowing freely. Saturn, second largest, imagine it's a bust. Wide flashes that brings water, ice, and rocks and dust. Particles as big as mountain, small sand. Stormy boys and guys, something we don't understand. Let's dance the water, we don't expect it to sail. It's speedy twirl like a long thing to flatten and prevails. Every 30 years, some great white spots circling on the block. They just see on bottom moons like it's never gonna stop. Mars is a crater, Megan, Sonus, and Scoria, volcanic. At this valley where it's oxygen, Chinese, Cosmotus, Titans, thick and orange, Amazon, lakes at the poles. And I have it suicidal, they usually run for a hole. And Hyperion, and Phoebe, magical potatoes, and the countless clumps of moonless, but we'll probably never name those. There's a Gion, and Bellini, and Pandora, and Max, and Mathoni, and Molini, Albior, Saul, and Alice, Polybusis, Mendoveri, Thermogenus, and Prometheus, and Tunger, and Gorgani, Peter, Edgar, and Prometheus, and Nancy, Group, and Circtor, Uncle Bola, and Talus, Snow, and Rocket, and Mercurial, and Prince Axe, and Calypso, Point, and Raven, Billy, Vessel, Dread, of all the Iron Foundry, and the Towers, Ariadne, William, Talking, Peter, Kari, Lucky, Stop, Screamer, Primer, Gunmuster, Rocky, Big Sharnaki, and Rockin', Polyokin, 211, keep on rocking. 7th Uranus, Uranus, either one at time with axis, makes some crazy seasons orbiting the sun. This reverse rotate, Nash giant pushes the dated Titans, dark spinning rings, is skew, pretty slight. But the turquoise atmosphere is more uniform, but it's the gossip tricks, coldest record check the average S perspective. Very complex magnetic spheres, both side and the squirrels, and we have corkscrew tail. Further mission is here, yet to be entailed. Uranus got some cracks and close and aerials, the brightest. Umbriel's the darkest with the crown fluorescent whitest. Titania, that's the large Oberon, filled with great pits, and Uranus is 24 moons on the list. This the whole Rosalind, Belinda, Cupid, and Calabac, rusted up, the young Catulia, Mark Arthur, and Portia, Buck, converted up, Cordelia, Ophelia, Map, Zigarax, Edibus, Stefano, with reason one without a name, Francisco, Tequila, Prospero. Each of these mature name for character in Shakespeare, and many more still not in Uranus, a tail sphere. After Uranus is windy, while Neptune, the furthest from the sun, is dark and really hard to get to, not as blue as you remember, but it also isn't white. And below the method skies and Myron diamonds and it's night. Or just choose the only road that has the clearest destination, where you pick a Neptune with a supersonic circulation, colder average than on Uranus, and this interpretation ends at 16 rooms and maybe more surrounding implications. How the Anderson, the biggest spine of Galaxy, and Miriam, and Nayadley, Albatrias, 2021, on Proteus, Larissa, and it's 2002 and 5's the only cycle last up. Shout out to my Pluto fans! Yeah, Pluto, you may not agree with me, but share views scientifically. Mega Pluto, but it's controversial, since the IAU's rejection from the planetary circle. They said it didn't match up with their guidelines, with this 2006 relegation to the sidelines. Lucky little snowball, nitrogen and dolins, a shifting atmospheric condensation when it's frozen. Geology is constantly transforming modestly through all the rockery, planet or not. It's an oddity, a chance, a spark, half size, and same with big stakes, tremors, and I just tumble like an ice cream. Look, little here shouldn't surprise y'all, and hopefully some make it in surprise y'all. Even if there's no light, even if there's no moon or atmosphere, so we can take our time to search around up and down till we are very clear. The Kuiper Belt, past Neptune isolated, this volatile icy bodies where discovery is awaited. Split up into classes, classical, your kidney waters, non-resonant, terrific radicals, resonant, orbital ratio, and Neptune relation, Pluto's to Pluto's, and more sorted number combinations. Pluto's here too, sometimes passes Neptune, now I'll say some Pluto's view, always built on cut that creative work, it's invent the pose, behind you see and the pose, the ionic scion, the neck is hidden, so on. A maze stretched wide from dusty rings aside. For hour long this goodbye, bring the Maka and the Ia to beside. Monkey Maka's mate and propose a nice day. Shiny bright and glowing angels with us nothing done. All in the same field, far out spirits are real. Bring the Rockly and bottle, made about way. Lots of shit to get dark like shadows. Far in a super narrow. One of you told me I'm blue. Scares when the like it's fused. Artillery responds to alien bread and medicine. Look to your forces, zombie, not title, gray, I'm just showing. Puff like out of fun, look up, so we're CC power and written ugly. I'm sure I think we all know so. Please get on my way through one, no track or cheer up. I'm the one about his up. The scatter, this dynamic, internet, G's force, super loopy, and ugly, gungeon to just to run the course. Gone, a large, slow, brown, bottle, water, ice, the atmosphere, sun, with a natural satellite. There is silver cement, smaller than Pluto, pretends intense. Fire fishing glitches, cells, where it's young at 12. GD, Buffy, and Giovanna, Barbara, and I have to be cargo, quick, and cool, Tom Dima. For the extremes, there ain't many of these, but overstretching the seams. Beautify machines like Alicanto, I'm annihilate. I'm too into a fight, and no, it's like a slingshot, secluded and wide. Throughout the system, there's comets, cookies, snowballs, holes in the closets. All around, dark or radically, we'll stay on time until I'm pneumatically. I close approach, they release gases to warm up, making the combo with gas and astros around. Lots of comets in the pattern. Let out the door, the water, the money's no claim. Happy, come up, yucky, tucky, hey, people, really take a warning phone. What's the data set? Keep her on and breaks the to make up versus the wise. Tracking off cameras and make your eyes you really not. No, and force, love, have a show of fame. Most think that commerce comes with the hypers and past its domain. I'm past the hemisphere, only gets us here. The fact that you know no clouds are the system's frontier. There's no water, even if there's no moon or atmosphere, so we can take our time to search around up and down till we